This is the lining of my uterus. This is my endometrium. And this is my right ovary. I'm going home now. This is a thermal bag. So the medications are here in the thermal bag. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. It is my cycle day 9 today. I just got home from the fertility clinic. I had my follicle scan and hormonal test. It is only day 9 and guess what? It's on the ultrasound. I have 3 follicles, but there is only 1 dominant follicle. So since this is a natural IVF, we are not after about the egg quantity. We are just looking for the egg quality. The measurement of the dominant follicle is 21.8 millimeters, or in centimeters that would be 2.18 centimeters. So it is already big and it only cycle day 9. So the doctor decided to do the egg retrieval on Monday. So that would be my cycle day 11. It is too early. If you've been watching my previous videos, I have this history of ovulating on my own, and also I have this history of early ovulation. Also, I had a previous cancelled IVF cycle last month. That is why the doctor gave me only 1 tablet of letrozole for 5 days. That is only to support the maturation of the eggs. I also had my blood test. I'm going to show you later. So here's the instruction given to me by one of the nurses. So at 11:30 p.m. tonight, I'm gonna have a nasal spray. So I don't know what I am feeling right now. I am a bit nervous and excited because even though I have that very good size of a follicle during day 9, it doesn't guarantee that there is an egg inside. I'm not saying that there is none, but there are some instances the follicle may not contain an egg. But I am hoping there will be a very good quality of egg, so let us see. So if you are new here and you'd like to follow my journey, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click that bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload videos. Alright, thank you. So these are my hormonal tests for this cycle. So yeah, during the day 2, look at my estradiol. I have 36.2 and the luteinizing hormone is 5.6. And today is my cycle day 9. My estradiol is already 121.9 and the luteinizing hormone is 3.6. So let us see on Monday. Monday would be my cycle day 11. And that is my egg retrieval. This is exciting. I feel very nervous, but let us see. So these are the instructions given to me by one of the nurses in the fertility clinic. So today it is February 23rd. I have a scheduled trigger at 11:30 p.m. and the doctor gave me spray. It is, they call it Supercure. And the doctor said it is a GnRH agonist. And when I asked the doctor what is it for, he said that this medication is used to prevent premature ovulation and also to prevent the mid-cycle hormonal surge which can result in a cancelled cycle. Last month, I had a cancelled natural IVF cycle because I ovulated early, and all my hormones during cycle day 12 shows that I will ovulate on that day. And the size of that egg during that time is only 14.6. It's very small. Today, based on the follicle scan, the size of my dominant follicle is already 29.8 millimeters, or in centimeters, that is 2.8 in centimeters. So that is already big, and that is ready to burst anytime. That is why the doctor gave me this nasal spray, because there are many types of trigger. This time the doctor gave me the GnRH agonist. So that is the explanation given to me by the doctor. Ask all the questions before I left the clinic because I'm very confused, because previously I was using Ovidrel and Pregneol, and that is an HCG, so it's different. So I think their protocol in this clinic is, hopefully it will work. And also he gave me NSAIDs. So NSAIDs, in the prescription, it is ibuprofen, it's Advil. It is a gel capsule, and I will be taking that tomorrow, February 24, Sunday, 12 noon, 6 p.m., 12 noon, 6 p.m., and 12 midnight. And again, I asked the doctor, what is it for? Doctor's explanation about the NSAIDs before the IVF, since I am doing the natural cycle, that is to control the ovulation and the LH surge, because in my case, there will be a tendency that the follicle may burst anytime tonight up to the egg retrieval on Monday. So the doctor said the NSAID will control the ovulation. All these medication protocols are new to me. That is why I kept asking the doctor, what is it for? Why we need to use this and that? And I am glad that the doctor explained everything, and he is very kind. Since it is a natural cycle and I only have one dominant follicle, so the pain will be tolerable according to the doctor, and I don't need anesthesia. So let us see. Don't wear accessories, perfume, and cosmetics. It's okay for me. It's okay for me because I'm trying to avoid perfume and cosmetics, makeups, because according to the book that I have been reading, some makeups and other perfumes contains paraben and phthalates that could damage the development of the egg. And also nail polish must be removed. It's okay, I don't have any nail polish. So we need to be there at 7:30 a.m. It also says here, do not submerge yourself in water, bathtub, swimming, jacuzzi, and etc. Avoid strenuous activities like lifting heavy objects, jogging, and etc. Avoid from sexual intercourse starting tonight, because the semen sample will be collected at the clinic, and it should be at least 2 to 3 day abstinence. So I am so nervous, but let us see. Whatever will be the result of this first natural IVF cycle, I will accept it, because I know God has a perfect plan for us, because I always believe that God is the giver of life, no matter how good our technology nowadays. So alright guys, that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope I can do a vlog after the egg retrieval, I don't know. So I'll be back on Monday, and then let's. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.